Alright guys, there's certain days in a car guy's life that are awesome. And when it comes to cars, this is no better day. I just got the wife some wine at the local grocery store, got gas, driving the Mustang at highway speeds. Very good feeling. I still have work to do. The gas gauge still isn't working correctly, and this stupid electronic speedometer doesn't work good, but damn, I'm happy. This is awesome. Finally, the Mustang is on the road under its own power, running errands. I already got bombarded by 3 guys at the grocery store. One guy wants me to enter a car show, gave me some flyer about it. Another guy was asking questions about what year it was. Another guy was wanting to know what kind of engine was in it. So it's definitely a magnet. It's pretty awesome. So I just wanted to do this video. So I just hope you guys are going to enjoy your 4th of July. I hope you're wrenching on something good. Just don't give up. If you got something you're working on, don't give up. Just stay at it. This moment is awesome. Just being able to drive finally. With cold AC, I might add. So sorry if I'm yelling. The car's kind of loud. We'll see you later. Subscribe.